Hey Michael, it's Colin. You know what? I read your question. I'm like, you know what? I don't actually know. With the newer versions of Dreamweaver that come out, excuse me, some of the things have obviously changed, but I've never used a lot of the features. As a matter of fact, I actually build the entire site in a text editor. Excuse me again. Okay, I'm back now. Sorry about that. Just so you know, I actually build all the code. I do all the coding in the what do you call it? The text, the code window. I don't actually use any of the features within Dreamweaver because I hand code everything. So you'll probably have a few questions about how to do things in Dreamweaver, which obviously I don't have in the system. But one thing I do know with Dreamweaver is your insert menu is going to be your lifesaver. Okay, anything you want to get into the page. See, it already goes automatically over to. Right, so if I went to the design mode here, right, and I go to view, I'm going to flip off my visual aids because I can't stand them. Right, and I go down on the page. Let's say I want to insert an image somewhere right here in this area over here. Okay, well, all I know I could tell you is when you put your cursor there, right, as you enter the keyboard, just go to your insert menu, and you can find a lot of things in here that will probably make your life a little bit easier. For example, insert, and then there's image, and then this is usually where you have more options show up. Like in this case, it's going to pull up the select image source window here. I can go to my site, my themed images, or wherever I happen to have the images hiding. I can go and select it and hit OK, and boom, the image pops into the page there. But I've heard about this cloud image thing, and honestly, I don't know. So what does our welcome, help, and support? So if you go to the help and support, Dreamweaver Online Help, right? That's usually where I go if I can't find it. Cloud image. Let's just see if that has anything. Okay, I didn't actually find anything that way because what I did is instead I went to Learn Dreamweaver. Okay, now I went to there's key techniques. That's a good one. I went to new feature because I've seen this somewhere. I don't know where I saw it, but when Dreamweaver first boots up, it has a little tutorial window. So if I actually close this down and then booted it up again, see, I get this little thing pops up here. Tips and techniques. You see this thing here? And I read something about the created before the code. They used to have different ones on here. One was about this cloud image thing, which I've heard about. Anyways, long story short, if I use the Learn Dreamweaver, it takes me to this site here. Add images with Adobe Stock. I think that's what you're talking about right there. All right, so this here should. There's a video in here right from these guys, and it should help you to figure that one out, find the image you want, because honestly, I don't have a clue. I've never used it before, so I don't know how that works, but I hope that helps narrow down where to find the information.